Good morning, children. Children, already we are going through the poem Parrots in My Garden. Now, children, in this poem, we have gone through many new things that you were not aware of. We have gone through many new words, some you were knowing and some were very unknown to you, right? In the previous video, we have done some new words, and in this lesson, what we are going to do? We are going to write, or we are going to know the meaning of that new words, right? Some new words meaning are given at the end of the chapter, that is at the end of the poem, and I have added few more words and their meaning so that you are clear with the content of the poem, and if you know the meaning of the words, you will enjoy the poem and you will definitely like to read it again and again. So children, let's get started. What is there in this? Okay. Now the first one is across. Across. Across means from the opposite side. So on the opposite side. The उस पार opposite side. मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ and if I talk about opposite side, that means that side, opposite side. Across opposite side. Flock, group of birds. Now in this poem, we have known group of birds are called flock. Now in next video, definitely I will make you clear some group of singers, what they are called, group of sailors, what they are called, group of ants, what they are called. In this way, we will go with different group of things like group of mountain, group of bull. This way, I will make you explain in next video what are these groups called. So here, the meaning of the flock is group of birds, right? Just group of birds we know right now. We are talking about birds. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, shining, full of light. Bright means full of light. The sun is shining brightly. That means the sun is full of light, right? It is shining brightly. Leave, to go away. Leave means चले जाना, वो जगह को छोड़ देना. जैसे if you are doing some mistake and then teacher is angry, she will tell you, please leave the place. Please leave the place. ना? Leave the place means आपको वहाँ से चले जाने के लिए बोला जा रहा है. So leave means उसको छोड़ो. या फिर आप कोई चीज़ से बदमाशी करे जा रहे हो, right? You are playing with something and your teacher is explaining or your teacher is teaching or doing something very concrete that you should pay attention and you are busy in your work, then teacher will just tell you that you leave the thing what you are doing, you just leave it, right? तो आप छोड़ दीजिए, जो कर रहे हैं उसको छोड़िए और हमारी बात सुनिए. हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं ना आपको. So that is called leave. L-E-A-V-E, leave. Now once again मतलब और एक बार या again, फिर से. Madam please pardon me, आप repeat कीजिए. आप बोलते हैं Madam I am not here, please repeat once again. That is called once again. That is again or one more time. Next, twin. Twin in this poem it means smart in looks. Smart in looks. Okay, physics में वो smart है. So that is twin in this poem. So children, here we have gone through some 6 word meaning. In our next video, we will continue a few more words and we will see that in our second part. Till then, stay healthy. Goodbye.